Wala ka jingpang batamay balatib kum ka black fungus kampat poi satia hakajala hendrina kaliang u director katanat ka kot ka khia ula ong ba kilapan kriya lupa lada jia bakatei ka jingpang kawan.
Continuously, they say that from the humidifier and from the sponge which is there inside the humidifier, this fungus may grow. And when a person breathes this fungus, already immunity is down because of COVID, then this particular fungus gets an upper hand, takes an upper hand and causes that infection. Now we know partially what is the cause. So now we have given strict instructions to all the hospitals in all the VCs that we participate that this particular humidifier, the liquid there, we have asked them to use distilled water as far as practicable to be changed and that sponge to be cleaned. As of now, we do not have any fungal infection case here in Meghalaya.